That landmark Air Canada verdict established a new legal reality. When your chatbot hallucinates a policy, your brand pays the bill. Welcome to the orchestrator's burden. In an AI-first infrastructure, you cannot afford the GUI tax, where software dumps down your intent and forces algorithms to guess what to click. True orchestrators bypass this using structured text and code templates to bind human intent directly to deterministic hardware. This is not theoretical. Consider Rehrig Pacific integrating Avalara tax software through JD Edwards Orchestrations, or Leah Agentic OS running 13 sequential checks to transform a casual email into an audit-ready expense claim. The principle remains absolute. Leverage AI for a 60% velocity draft, then apply 40% human verification to maintain high-fidelity authority. AI provides the speed, humans provide the conviction. Which workflow will you orchestrate first? Like this video if it sharpened your AI strategy, then share your answer below.